Thegia ya thirikari gukorwo ikihurira ndebe urimi wa MBENIKO icigo-ini ngurani guku bururi-ini, sekta ino ikoretwo na nditi kihiri ari hamwe na kuhorokera gwa kambuni ya guthia MBENIKO. Minister wa urimi MUTAHI atariirie bunge ya Senate ati kwa ihinda iraya kambuni ino ndikoretwo igithondeka mbeca njiganu kwirugamirira o mwaka igithondeka shiringi milioni 35.
The company has been earning about 35 million shillings per year. You know, at best it came to about 60 million shillings per year. And let me also say that there is no money that has been allocated for research. So all this, which is a very critical area for us, and it is not that we have not proposed the research budget. It is only that at the end of the budget process, we find ourselves with not just no money for research, but not enough money even to sustain the organization itself.
Oho ni uburite ati kambuni ino iri na thire wa shiringi milioni 10 cia arimi, akiuga gitumi kinene gia kambuni ino kuhorokera ni mathire maria ni hamwe na mamilioni ma mbeca cia thikimu ya pension ya aruti a wira.
We have tried as much as possible to keep on paying the farmers, but there is a debt portfolio of about 3.5 billion. There was the proposal, as a senator has rightly said, that assets should be sold in order to cover this debt. And it is true that the organization also has an asset portfolio of about 6 billion.
Kagwe ni atariirie ati mibango iri ikoretwo igithii na mbere ya gutabarira ucenjia wa urugamiriri wa kambuni ino kuma kuri thirikari nginyagia kuri kambuni ya mundu kiumbe ikiria kurikirira, akiuga ikinya riri nirikindiritwo ni aruti a wira aria monanitie matanya manene ma kuona kambuni ino ikirugamia ringi.
This idea came from the employees themselves who actually sent a memo to me to ask me whether this is possible, and I agree that this is the way forward. And therefore, what we should also do, just like we have done with other industries in tea, in cotton, in sugar, is to license private sector so that they can do so, obviously in a transparent and very clear manner.
Ona kuhanura uguo agitariria ati mbere ya mubango uyu gukinyanira, thirikari ni gutabarira mathabu mothe ma kambuni ino ari hamwe na indo ngurani iria ciandikithitio rungu rwayo.
Mr. Speaker, the idea of settling the debts via the sale of some of the assets is still what we intend to do, because there is no other way. And indeed, for us to make it viable for licensing, it is necessary that we settle the debts.
Hadine ha Kameme TV, Jitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.